Hi YouTube, thanks for coming back to our channel. Stay forever true. Today I'm going to show you all how to make this super easy lentil ball recipe. Now for this recipe, all you need is potatoes, lentils, seasoning, and some type of binder, which I use aquafaba and flour. Now I started off with 1 cup of cooked white potatoes. And 1 cup of cooked green lentils, and I just use a potato masher. And then these are all the seasonings that I use. You all do not skimp on your seasonings. It's what gives it flavor. Like, you definitely need to add seasonings to this, not just plain salt and pepper. Like, put some love in it, y'all. I use aquafaba, which is liquid from cooked garbanzo beans. Hi, little Maddie. But you could use an egg if you wanted to, or make a flax egg, or you could just double up on the flour. I just use 2 tablespoons of regular flour. Now if you are doing gluten-free, you can definitely make like oat flour, which basically you take like instant oatmeal and put it in your food processor. Now you know that it's a good consistency when it's all starting to come together. You can see my rubber spatula, like everything's just coming together. Now to make the actual balls, first I mold the mixture in my hand and then I roll it into balls. I find that if you just start rolling into balls just to start off with, sometimes it can start to crumble, so you might have to just kind of press it together, mold it in your hand, and then roll it out into your lentil balls. Now what I love about this recipe is that you definitely will have a lot left over that you can use later on in the week. You can make patties out of them and make them into burgers, whatever you want to do. But it's super good for somebody that likes to meal prep or just have something in your fridge that you can make that won't take that long to make. Now I just oil the bottom of a pan. Now you can definitely make these on your stove top, like in a skillet with some oil, but dude, I find it super easy to just throw it in the oven, and you cook them for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side. And also you use way less oil when you end up putting it in the oven versus making it on a stove top. Little Maddie. Now you know that it's time to flip them over when you're able to actually flip them over. I know, right? But sometimes you go and you want to flip them over and it's like kind of stuck to the bottom of the pan. Let them stay in the oven for about 2 more minutes and then flip them over and they will be perfect. And I like to use this vegan mayo, y'all. I get it from Trader Joe's. Do not go buy the expensive vegan-ase. Go to Trader Joe's, get you some good old vegan mayo from there. And then I put paprika on there and toast it like that versus just using oil. I got this from another YouTuber. I believe her name is Liz. And I make my own sauce. So I just use canned crushed tomatoes and then add in garlic and peppers and onions and different seasonings, fresh basil, things like that. Super easy, and you can control the ingredients that you have in there. So this is my like go-to lunch for my husband because he is transitioning into a vegetarian diet. I no longer cook meat at my home, so he definitely loves this, of course, with a bunch of cheese on top. You can use vegan cheese if you want, nutritional yeast. I think when I made it this time I didn't use any cheese, I just ate it like it was. So that's how you make these quick, easy, inexpensive lentil balls. Vegetarian and vegan food does not have to be expensive or crazy to make. I hope you all like this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and check out more videos that we have to offer. Make sure you also follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, and see you all later. Peace.